Don't you hate normal watches?
Definitely. This thing only tells time.
Don't you want a watch that does just a little more? Go ahead.
Well, duh.
We don't want something absurd like a laser watch.
This is absurd. Wow.
Let's see what the people want.
You know what I could really use? A watch that could count sneezes. But where could I get that?
Due to customer suggestion, we've created Sneeze-O-Meter.
18, 19, 20, yay!
And with this coupon, you can get a free Easy Knob with any purchase. Wow! Only $119.99.
Warning, may cause explosive allergies.
ShamCo. Expensive.